When customers come to our customer experience center, they're always amazed at the number of solutions and offerings that we have available. They get to experience all things Allied Universal. They're going to get a curated visit that's specific to their objectives. They get to see it, touch it, feel it. There's different areas. They get to move throughout the facility. They get to see a number of different business units, the Monitoring and Response Center, our Emergency Response Center, our Service Assurance Center, our Electronic Monitoring Center.
By coming to the CEC, you really get to interact with the hundreds of team members that we have operating in this specific facility and tied to our Monitoring and Response Center.
When our clients come to the Customer Experience Center, they're excited to find an integrated solution for all of their security needs.
Things from our mobile workforce information management tool, HELIAUS. They get to see advanced AI video analytics, enterprise access control, and video, just to name a few. It's a great time for them to come meet in a space and learn about everything that Allied Universal offers as solutions.